Hello class 11 students, how are you? कैसे हैं आप सब? Now I'm going to start a new chapter, index number. This is the most important and interesting chapter, index number. Okay, I'm going to start. This is the most interesting chapter. Try to understand the concept. You will ready for this chapter for the examination, theory as well as practical. Both part will be given. Both part will be asked questions in the examinations. From where anywhere question will be asked. Be ready for this be ready for this examinations, trying to understand the concept index number. Okay, which type of index number I am going to discuss you. Please see the video, then you can understand it very easily. At first, understand the what is index number. Clear? What is index number? So we know very well what is index number. Index number, I think you can see it. Index number are tools for measuring changes in the magnitude of a variable or a group of related variable over time with respect to chosen base year. Okay, which year? Base year. Try to understand with the help of examples, then you can understand it in a very easy way. Okay, try to understand. According to Croxton and Cowell, index numbers are devices from measuring difference in the magnitude of a group of related variables. It means what? Which type of measures I will discuss in the practical part. Okay, an index number is a statistical measures designed to show changes in a variable or a group of variables with respect to time, geographical location, or the other characteristics. So we knew what is index number. Now I am going to discuss the problem of index number. Okay, index number numericals problem I am going to discuss you. Okay, so page number 75 says 74 of your book. This is problem. Okay, calculate price index using simple aggregate method for the following data. Calculate price index number. Calculate price index number using aggregate method for the following data. How will you solve this problem? I am going to discuss you. Try to understand. This is commodity, this is price 2005, and this is 2012 price. Okay, 150, 70, 255, 105, 250, 140, 180, 70, 100. How will you solve this problem? I am going to discuss you with the help of examples, with the help of my own experience. You can solve this problem. Now I am going to discuss the problem. Try to understand. At first you will this is solution. Okay, try to understand it. How will you solve with this problem? I am going to discuss you. Try to understand the concept of this problem. Okay, try to understand. This is commodity A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and this is price for the year. Okay, this is price for the year. Clear? Price for the year already given in the questions. Okay, don't confuse. Already given in the question. 150, 70. It is given in the question. 255. Okay, 105, and this is 250, 140, 180, 70. The main things is is understanding is this is PO. PO means 2005 base year. Okay, 2005 will come first. This is, that's why this is base year, and 2012 will come last after 2005. Okay, this is P1. At first you will add it, E P summation of EPO is equal to, when you will add it, then you will get, this is 5, okay, 8, 580. Okay, now summation P1 is equal to 0, 4 7 is 740. Okay, now price index for year 2012 with year 2005, this is as base year. Okay, which year? As base year. So P01 is equal to summation P1 by summation of P0 into 100. Clear? I think you can see it. Summation P1 is what? 740. 740. So here like 740. PO is 585 into 100. Cancel it. Then you will get, calculate it. Okay. I have calculated 127.59. So in this video I have discussed what is index number. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment it. Thanks for watching.